Girls, want silky smooth hair like K-drama stars, but at home? Let me show you 4 simple DIY secrets for shiny, gorgeous hair. Secret 1. Coconut oil massage. Warm a little oil and massage it gently into your scalp for 5 minutes to strengthen your roots naturally.
This improves blood circulation and gives your hair a healthy, shiny foundation.
Secret 2. Aloe vera with vitamin E. Mix them together and apply along your hair length. This natural conditioner makes your hair silky and frizz-free.
Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to let your hair absorb all the goodness.
Secret 3. Yogurt and honey mask. Mix them together to repair damage, hydrate, and add instant shine to your hair. Apply evenly to your hair, focusing on the ends, and let it sit for 50 to 20 minutes.
Secret 4. Let your hair breathe. Air dry in sunlight instead of using heat. This prevents damage and keeps your hair naturally shiny.
See the difference? Silky, healthy, and full of life, just like K-beauty stars. These 4 secrets are 100% natural, safe, and powerful. Try them at home and watch your hair glow. Share these tips with your bestie, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and self-care secrets. Simple steps, amazing results, and a natural glow your hair deserves. Shiny, silky, healthy hair, all at home with these easy DIY secrets.
Remember, consistency is key. Repeat these steps weekly for best results. Try these secrets, let your hair glow, and stay tuned for more beauty tips on our channel.